Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. Today, we're going to show you some of the largest earwax removal clips from all of the web while discussing the miracle of earwax. Before we get started, I'd like to ask our subscribers to click the notification bell on your device. YouTube's doing their best to remove mature content like ours from your feed, so you need to click the bell if you want to see our videos in the future. Also, I'm going to put a link to my favorite lighted medical pick in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Earwax is a self-cleaning agent with protective, lubricating, and antibacterial properties, doctors say. Tiny glands in the outer ear canal constantly pump out a watery substance which gets mixed with bits of dead hair and skin, and together is called earwax, or cerumen. Excess earwax normally treks out slowly out of the ear canal, with an extra boost from chewing and other jaw movements, carrying with it dirt, dust, and other small particles from the ear canal. Then, dried up clumps of the stuff fall out of the ear opening. When this natural earwax train malfunctions, or when individuals poke around in their ear with cotton swabs or other foreign objects such as bobby pins or matchsticks, earwax can build up and block part of the ear canal. I personally recommend a lighted earwax pick for removal purposes. They have several different heads for different ear canals, and they're easy to clean. They're more effective than other tools. That's why the pros use them. There's an Amazon link below. And as a friendly reminder, always use caution when you're dealing with your ear because it's very sensitive inside. Here's a bonus clip for you, and thanks for watching. Hey folks, for a great way to remove earwax, check out this lighted pick. Its shape gives you more precision, making it less likely to push earwax farther back into your ear, which is a common problem with Q-tips. And the light helps you see what you're doing. These picks make a great addition to your medicine cabinet, so check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself. Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.